In a shocking incident, tension erupted in the Charel Tejpur area of Manipur on February 13, 2024, at around 7 p.m. As Arambai Tenggol and VBIGs stole approximately 140 arms and ammunition from the 5 Indian Reserve Battalion (IRB) posts. The stolen arsenal, including 6 AK-47s, 4 carbines, 3-aught rifles, 2 LMGs, and various other automatic weapons, has sent shockwaves throughout the region. Notably, the looting extended beyond the 5 IRB posts, with reports emerging of an attempted looting at the 7 Mr. Pangai, intensifying concerns over the security of state armories. This vulnerability to exploitation by the Métis has been an ongoing issue since violence erupted on May 3. The fact that the looting transpired without any individuals being apprehended raises questions about the role of the Manipur state government, leading to speculations that Arambai Tenggol may have been allowed to continue raiding government armories. Adding to the gravity of the situation, it's crucial to highlight the disturbing events of May 4, 2023, when a Métis mob, supported by militants, stormed the MPTC Pangai complex, looting over 5,000 weapons and lakhs of rounds of ammunition. These weapons were subsequently used by Métis militants to target KUKI-ZO villages, resulting in the destruction of thousands of houses and the loss of hundreds of KUKI lives over several months. The alarming trend persists, with Métis militants launching unprovoked attacks on KUKI-ZO areas in the past 2 to 3 days. Crossing buffer zones at Saibol, Commonlock, Sat Ang, and other locations in Cycle, Kangpokpi district, innocent KUKI village volunteers have fallen victim to these attacks. The involvement of VBIG in these unprovoked assaults, coupled with the recent arms looting, indicates a concerning connivance with state authorities, signaling an intent to escalate attacks on the KUKI-ZO people. The depletion of ammunition in their pursuits over the past 3 to 4 days adds urgency to the situation.
Hả? Assignment overpower tore, assignment overpower tore. Publication demand khangdana assignment overpower am thi tore. Yong se. Khrai salan thong dane assignment overpower tore. Chiong to. Assignment overpower tore je khrai salan thong da.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also do share your feedback in comment section below.